What's up guys, I hope you got the subscribe button, and before we get inside the video, let me say what's going on. We're gonna be getting the diamond knife. As you can see, we're 4,983 out of 5,000, so let's get it. We're gonna go to a different FFA because we're gonna be server hopping. Now, let's get inside the video. And let's go inside some free for all. Now we're gonna be using the mic because that's literally the title. Getting the diamond knife, so that's why we won't be able to get the diamond knife unless we, backstab some people. I'm sure I have to do it. What the? How did it not get backstabbed, dude? It's actually impossible to not get backstabbed. Oh, he got backstabbed right there. That's all I can say. Hey, 85! Let's go! Why am I counting? I don't know when I get it. Because it's gonna pop up on my screen. No way this player's in my lobby once again. Who goes just bonkers in the lobby. They go bonkers. I literally got him by accident. Oh, hello? What? Oh, hell no. What if you're in the same lobby? Because they already know what I'm gonna do. So, and that's basically impossible because I'm in a new lobby. Okay, just one more kill and we'll be at 90. Gotcha. And gotcha. 91. We are so close. We just have to keep on doing it. This is like gonna be a short video, just joking. We're gonna be using it in the lobbies. And see if people like it. Holy actual smoke, 9 more. Oh my gosh, I've been doing, you guys don't know how long I've been wanting the diamond knife, and now I'm gonna record it. Oh, the daily shop just refreshed. Nah, I don't have any Robux. And my task is refreshed, so I won't be able to see it. Well, I guess I'm just gonna get the diamond. I will see the task. He just doesn't get backstabbed because I think he knows. We are so close. I don't even know the number because my task is like, what the frick? I mean, you guys didn't saw that. I didn't fall inside the void. How did I die? They didn't even kill me with a swash bucket. Pretty sure that's what this skin is called, right? Hello. If he had ran away, I would be going crazy. I think just one more. Nope. A bit more, I guess. Wait, are we close? Let's see. Oh, 5 more! We only need 5 more, it says. So let's just get it instantly. Come on. We need to get this. I've been wanting this for so long, so it's finally time I get it. You want it, you need. You want it, you need. I'm about to get this thing I wanted for a very long time now. The diamond wrap for the knife. My contract said it was 5 more, but no, it was 1 more. Oh, you just don't know how long I've been wanting this. And now, oh my gosh, this is the first diamond. Oh my, oh my. If I use none, it doesn't look that nice, but at first we got the gold, now we got the diamond. Oh my gosh. This is actually just crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed the just young me going inside some like lobbies and like when we let's see. We're gonna be going to for all lobbies. I'm gonna be saying, do you guys like my diamond wrap? And then if you get a knob, that's the end of the video. Because I just hope. Let's see if we can get, if we can see it. What the? I just died from a hunter. Watch this. Dead. Who threw that? Oh wait, that was me. Dude, I'm trying to show you my diamond wrap. See it? You want to see it now? That's what he gets for trying to kill me. He actually tried to kill me. Check out my diamond wrap. Do you like to see? I hate this. There's so many people that want to see my diamond wrap. I spent like so. Now the diamond wrap. Now the knife is finally finished for me. Oh wait, no! I have to get that finisher on all weapons. It's gonna take so long just to get the ultimate finisher. If I spent Robux, it would be a lot easier, but then Robux wasted if I just did that. Because then I just get a key skin and I won't be able to use it on any other weapons. How did, oh my god, you skip. I didn't need to go for the backstab, but then I wanted the backstab just for this. I wonder if he likes my diamond 9. Right? Is this just a dead server? Like they don't want to talk. I'm actually happy you said that. Alright, otherwise this will be like dot of it for this video. Also go dot. And let's actually, and I've got the diamond line. I've been trying to get this for actually so long. I don't think the final kill wasn't a good kill. Also, I didn't know it was the final kill because I thought it was 5 more and it was done. my gosh, I animated it that I actually destroyed him. Well, we might as well get the daggers. Not diamond, gold. Might be the next best knife player. Even though I already am. See that? This. My backstabbers sometimes not delayed. Okay, they are. I don't know why. They have to fix that. Okay, that's the end for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now hit the subscribe button and Liam is out!